Welcome to Civil Engineering Discoveries. Earthquakes constitute one of the worst natural hazards which often turn into disaster, causing widespread destruction and loss to human life. The effects of earthquake vary upon the magnitude and intensity. Earthquakes occur every now and then all around the world, except in some places where earthquakes occur rarely. The devastation of cities and towns is one of the effects of earthquake. What is earthquake? Greater than an earthquake is the result of a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Greater than the seismic activity of an area refers to the frequency, type and size of earthquakes experienced over a period of time. For example, if you throw stone in a pond of still water, series of waves are produced on the surface of water. These waves spread out in all directions from the point where the stone strikes the water. Similarly, any sudden disturbances in the Earth's crust may produce vibration in the crust which travel in all direction from point of disturbances. Causes of earthquake. The primary cause of an earthquake is faults on the crust of the Earth. A fault is a break or fracture between two blocks of rocks in response to stress, and this movement may occur rapidly, in the form earthquake, or may occur slowly, in the form of creep. Earth scientists use the angle of the fault with respect to the surface, known as the dip, and the direction of slip along the fault to classify faults. Classification of faults. Normal fault. A dip-slip fault in which the block above the fault has moved downward relative to the block below. Thrust reverse fault. A dip-slip fault in which the upper block, above the fault plane, moves up and over the lower block. Strike-slip fault. Greater than a left lateral strike-slip fault. It is one on which the displacement of the far block is to the left when viewed from either side. Greater than a right lateral strike-slip fault. It is one on which the displacement of the far block is to the right when viewed from either side.